Quick third officer familiarization regarding firefighting equipment maintenance theoretical approach. Here is a sample checklist for maintaining your firefighting equipment on board. This is a guide to help you understand the key tasks and principles involved on maintaining FFE. Please be aware that the actual format you encounter on your ship may be different from this table. However, the core principles and maintenance tasks will remain the same. When you are on board, always follow the specific procedures and formats provided by your vessel to ensure that all firefighting equipment is properly maintained and ready for use. This is only an example. Now, there are inspections for weekly, monthly, annually, every 2 years, every 5 years, and every 10 years. But we will tackle only for weekly and monthly. Emergency fire pump. Number 2, fire hose boxes. Number 3, fire hoses. Number 4, nozzles. Number 5, ventilation systems, fire flaps/dampers. Number 6, emergency generator. Number 7, Firemain relief valve, drain valve, isolation valve. Number 8, fire hydrant. Number 9, fire and general alarm. Number 10, fire doors. Number 11, emergency lighting low location lighting systems if fitted. Number 12, fire detection system. Number 13, compressed air breathing apparatus leak test. Number 14, fireman's outfit, personal equipment. Number 15, fixed gas fire extinguishing systems other than CO2 system. 16, quick closing valves. 17, PA system and general alarm system. Number 18, EEBD. Now take note, EEBD is not necessarily for firefighting, but on this particular checklist, it has been included by a specific company. Number 19, fixed firefighting system, hyper mist, water spray, and sprinkler systems. Number 20, fixed firefighting system, foam. Now for monthly, locker for storage of firefighting equipment, resuscitator apparatus, oxygen analyzers, portable gas detector, portable marine fire extinguishers, portable foam applicator unit, wheeled mobile fire extinguishers, fire detection system, breathing apparatus air recharging system, sandbox, fixed gas fire extinguishing systems other than CO2 system, inert gas system, fixed firefighting system, hypermist, water spray and sprinkler systems, international shore connection, galley exhaust protective system, and deep fat cooking fire extinguishing systems, manually operated fire alarm call points, continuous monitoring of HC gas. And this is only an example for weekly and monthly. We have other examples for quarterly, annually, every 2 years, every 5 years, and every 10 years. This is only an example video. Please check your specific company procedures.